How to send money from Australia to Dubai step by step. To send money from Australia to Dubai, you will need to follow these steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the currency you want to send it in. The Australian dollar is widely accepted, but you may also be able to send money in United Arab Emirates dirham. Next, choose a money transfer service that operates in both Australia and Dubai. Some popular options include banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange offices. Compare the exchange rates and fees of different services to find the best deal. Once you have chosen a service, you will need to create an account and provide some personal and financial information. This may include your name, address, and bank account details. You will also need to provide the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. After you have created your account and entered the recipient's details, you can initiate the transfer. This will usually involve entering the amount you want to send and confirming the exchange rate and fees. The money will then be transferred to the recipient's account. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days depending on the service you use. You can track the progress of the transfer using the service's website or mobile app. It is also important to consider the security and reliability of the money transfer service you choose. Look for services that are licensed and regulated by the relevant authorities and that have a good reputation with customers. In addition to sending money through a bank or online service, you can also use other methods such as cash pickup or mobile wallet. These methods can be more convenient for the recipient but may also be more expensive. Finally, be aware of any taxes or regulations that may apply to your money transfer. In Australia, for example, there are no taxes on money transfers, but you may need to report the transfer to the Australian Taxation Office if it exceeds a certain amount. By following these steps and considering your options carefully, you can send money from Australia to Dubai quickly and securely. Remember to compare exchange rates and fees and to choose a reputable and reliable money transfer service.